Are you looking to buy a rolling utility cart but feeling overwhelmed by all the options? Well, you're in the right place, and that's exactly what we're going to explore. Whether you need extra storage for your home, office, or craft supplies, a rolling utility cart can help you stay organized and make your space more functional. We've tested several models and selected the top 3 based on durability, versatility, and ease of mobility. You can find the links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Here are the top 3 rolling utility carts. Let's get started. First, the Sywhitta 3-tier plastic rolling utility cart offers an efficient and versatile solution for organizing your home or workspace. With its lightweight yet durable design, it features plastic storage trays supported by sturdy iron pipes that resist deformation. Its smooth surface ensures safe handling, while the plastic trays provide adequate load-bearing capacity. Equipped with 4 360-degree rotating wheels, including 2 lockable ones, the cart allows effortless mobility even when fully loaded. This practicality makes it suitable for use in the kitchen, living room, office, or bathroom, organizing items like toiletries, spices, or books to enhance cleanliness and accessibility. This rolling utility cart is designed for multifunctional use, easily adapting to various storage needs. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable maneuverability, while the straightforward assembly process, supported by detailed instructions, simplifies setup. Additionally, Sywhitta's customer support team is ready to assist with any installation issues, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The Sywhitta cart combines mobility, functionality, and durability, making it a practical addition to any home or office. Next, the Amazon Basics 3-tier rolling utility cart combines modern design with robust functionality, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Crafted from durable metal with a smooth, anti-rust finish, this cart features 3 recessed mesh bottom trays that provide excellent ventilation while securely holding various items. Its versatile design makes it perfect for storing tools, utensils, toiletries, or food, adapting to any room, including the kitchen, bathroom, or garage. The cart's curved push handle and rolling rubber caster wheels with pivoting action ensure effortless mobility and smooth steering, even in tight spaces. This utility cart is built for convenience and durability, with a design that blends seamlessly into different environments. Whether serving as a kitchen storage cart, tool organizer, or even a beverage station for outdoor gatherings, the Amazon Basics cart offers reliable functionality. Its sleek appearance, combined with practical features, makes it an excellent choice for those looking for a simple yet efficient storage solution. Finally, the DTK 3-tier metal rolling utility cart offers maximum storage versatility with its unique features. Made from high-quality metal, it includes 3 spacious mesh trays with 3-inch deep edges that prevent items from falling and ensure optimal airflow. The removable tabletop adds functionality, serving as a stable surface for snacks, cups, or small workstations. Additionally, its side storage bag with multiple pockets and hooks provides an organized space for keys, glasses, or craft supplies, enhancing its utility for different purposes. This cart is equipped with 4 360-degree swivel wheels, including 2 lockable ones, for stable placement and easy movement across various surfaces. Its multi-purpose design adapts to numerous uses, serving as a craft station, bathroom organizer, kitchen storage, or even a portable office setup. Compact yet spacious, the DTK rolling cart optimizes floor space while offering a stylish and sturdy solution for organizing your living space. With its simple installation process and durable construction, it is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a functional and adaptable storage cart. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.